Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today's recipe is creamy, soft, melt-in-your-mouth chicken, and perfect balance of spices. It's Kaju chicken Kadai. Let's begin with making black pepper powder. Cashew nut paste. Here you can take 100 grams. Curd, 250 liters. Green chilies. Garam masala. Ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Let's begin with the recipe. Here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. Add ginger garlic paste. Add in curd. Add some salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Sauté some onions and add them to blender. Add some green chilies. Garam masala and blend the mix. Add some oil in a pan. Small stick of butter. 2 bay leaves. 2 cardamom, elaichi. 1 small cinnamon stick. Add marinated chicken. Add some ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. Let it cook for some time until all the water is soaked and chicken looks like this. In a separate pan add some oil and ginger garlic paste. Now add in the blend mix we made earlier in a pan and fry. Add chicken to your gravy. Add black pepper. Little pinch of garam masala. Add in cashew nut paste and some fresh cream. Mix all the ingredients together and cook until all the flavors are in. There you have this beautiful, creamy, yummy Kaju chicken Kadai. If you like this recipe, do let me know in comments how yours turned out. You can enjoy this curry with hot and buttery naan or tandoori roti.